Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I got these shoes about a month and a half ago. They are by HARENCE, and I love them. I've worn them so much. So I wanted a comfortable, warm pair of shoes for winter, but I don't always want to wear boots, especially if the snow's not tall enough to need boots. So these things, this is like a foam, but it is really grippy. So I've worn it in snow and you do not slip. Like, it's a really good grip, but they're super light. Like, they weigh nothing. There's faux fur that lines the entire inside, and so they are super, super warm, but they're also super easy to slip on, which is so important to me. I'm a busy mom and I need shoes that slip on easy. So these really do. I really like the color. I like that I can wear them with the jeans and a sweatshirt. They're just really, really nice. So if you're on the hunt for some versatile, comfortable, lightweight, warm shoes for winter, who doesn't need all of those things in winter? This pair is for you. And that's my point of view.